Hi, welcome to another Involve Asia tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to do an early withdrawal on Involve Asia. Please be reminded that this is only applicable if you have earned enough fund from an advertiser. Alright, for you to request an early withdrawal, go to Menu tab and tap on Payment. And click on Early Withdrawal. With early withdrawal, you can get up to 2 times faster compared to regular payout method. Transaction fee will be applied for expedited withdrawal. For you to request an early withdrawal, choose Available Advertiser by tapping Search. Right now, I have enough sales commission from Lazada. Once you've selected, click Submit. After that, you scroll down and add to cart your early withdrawal requests. Once added, you will see now your early withdrawal amount. And then click on Proceed for Withdrawal. You can check your withdrawal details and the amount of fee charged by tapping Show Details. With my 77.57 Malaysian Ringgit withdrawal amount, I will be charged 4.60 Malaysian Ringgit for early payout. That's how you request an early withdrawal on Involve Asia, but for me, I prefer wire transfer because it's free. You can check video description for the video tutorial in requesting payout via bank transfer. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Involve Asia video tutorials. See you on my next video.